Hi children, today we are drawing a octopus. So let's get started. The octopus color is dark brown. So let's get paint. Awesome. So now water plant color is deep green. So let's get paint. Nice. Underwater the plant is so beautiful. So last layers now work in the water is the last layer. So bubble color is light green. So bubble color is our ready. Now the water lower part is the color is deep blue. So let's get paint. Slowly it's covered the full deep blue ocean. So our deep color is deep blue water. Now is the middle color is our we are colored the was light blue color. So it's awesome. This is complete is a middle color. So now is the first color is our light sky blue. So our water color is completely ready. Thanks for enjoying this video. Thank you.